Do you know where you were when Mongcoin hit $10 million on market cap? Do you know where you were when it hit $50 million or even 150? Where were you at $200 million market cap? Well, I know where I'm going to be at $1 billion market cap. This thing is going insane, trending #1 on Dex Tools right now, and it looks set to absolutely skyrocket. I'm getting super excited about Mong. There is a ton with this. People are starting to talk about it. The world feels like it's waking up. We're going to break it down in a couple of key points that I want you to know about before investing into Mong, but I'm pretty excited by this one, as you can tell. I can't even speak properly, so like and subscribe if you're not already. We've been pulling some gems out of the markets right now and making a decent little tidy bag. So be sure to subscribe, like the video if you're in Mong, and let's get into it. So right now, looking like a very bullish flag right now. We could be ready for a breakout now. We need to hold this line here right now, 2069. There was an incredible space earlier on, led by Crypto BitLord, in which we kind of saw some people take some profits, some people sell out. We are actually seeing a bit of a sell in the market. Now, you might be thinking, well, that's kind of not very bullish, but we always see this. Sunday nights are notorious for markets pushing down, and then we see the Asian markets open up, the US markets, the UK markets, and then everything seems to rock and roll as we go into a Monday week. But this chart looking really healthy right now. The other thing to recognize, 15,194 holders in 12 days. That's absolutely insane. That's quicker than Pepe. It's one of the fastest growing meme coins out there right now. And what's even more impressive is they've spent nothing in terms of pushing this narrative out. This has purely been done organically, and at the same time, people talking about it because we want people to make some money. And I think it's super exciting how they're building out. But 15,200, it's actually gained 200 holders in the last like 4 or 5 hours, which is kind of crazy to think about. Now, it's currently listed on Mexi and Mexi alone. If you want to go and buy Mongcoin, you can get it in the link in the description. You can sign up for Mexi. Totally is free. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't even lose out using that link. What it does, supports the channel a little bit. You get cheaper trading fees, all of that. Like I said, check out that link in the description. But we're waiting to see some more exchanges. Get.io is also listed for 0.8% of the supply. And I think right now we're waiting for some of these other exchanges. They did talk about some tier 1 centralized exchanges.
I don't know that.
I hate it when you do that. Scares me to fucking death. They're also talking about some tier 1 exchanges coming soon. Again, we've got Get.io, we've got Mexi, and there is a number more coming down the line for Mongcoin. But that is not all. Everybody is getting excited. We are trending currently on Twitter. Everybody feels that they're talking about Mongcoin. And again, this absolutely is building organically. They're even bringing in a swap so that you can swap your Pepe for Mongcoin without having to sell and trade and do all that kind of good stuff. So again, thinking about utility when it comes to meme coins is very important. Like I said, Mongcoin looking super bullish. Now they've got airdrops in particular for Mongcoin holders for those NFTs that they have. And all in all, just right now, Mongcoin is feeling really good. They've got Discords being set up, as well as a number of other parts. You can see there, BitGet, Mexi, BKEX, LBank, just to name a few exchanges that this thing is on. But the chart looking super bullish. Ran to a $200 million market cap, and I think this thing could go even further. They've got NFTs, they've got the Mong community coming. They've even got this exciting swap that we're not seeing with other coins. Even Pepe ultimately is just kind of built on hype, albeit I still think there's more room to grow in hype. The meme coin season is well underway. Mong is kind of set really to take advantage of it. So definitely worthwhile checking out what's going on with it. Definitely excited to see how this one all plays out over the course of the next few weeks. And like I said, do not sleep on the fact that we are seeing Mong rocket up in terms of holders. What's also interesting, I talked about this a little bit with Pepe, is look how many unique transactions. These are unique total transfer counts, and these bottom ones, the purple line being the total transfers, unique receivers and unique senders. What does that mean? It means people are buying this, more people are buying it, new people are buying into it, and that ultimately is when you see skyrocketing from meme coins. So all in all, pretty bullish when it comes to Mongcoin. We'll keep you up to date with the latest and greatest with Mongcoin. To do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Come and join our live streams 4 p.m. Eastern every single day, where we're talking about the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. And as ever, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Let's send Mong to $1 billion market cap. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.